Hey Divas, I am so excited today because I get to share my experience with Mint and Lily jewelry. You know that jewelry is one of my favorite ways to add confidence, polish, and style to any outfit that I'm wearing. So today I'm sharing my love for Mint and Lily jewelry, why I adore them, how I wear their pieces, and why I think they're perfect for everyday and special occasions, not just for us, but as the perfect gift for all the women in our lives that we love. Okay, by the end of this video, you'll see why Mint and Lily has become a staple in my jewelry box. And I'd like to thank Mint and Lily for sending me these beautiful pieces to review. So let's start with the basics. Why Mint and Lily? Well, first of all, their pieces are absolutely stunning, and shipping is fast, and orders over $65 get free shipping. That means I can treat myself or others without waiting forever or stressing about the extra shipping costs. Now let's talk about quality. These pieces are made from premium materials and they feel solid. They look luxurious, but here's the best part. They're affordable and lightweight, and I don't have to spend hundreds of dollars to look like I did. And honestly, that's why I keep coming back. Mint and Lily gives you that classic polished look for everyday glam and for those moments when you really want to shine. Today, I am wearing three beautiful Mint and Lily pieces. This is the Pave Initial Pendant Necklace in silver. This beautiful piece is the tiny paw print bracelet in sterling silver. Isn't this beautiful? Get the little paw print right there. And I'm also wearing the Huggy Hoop earrings in silver. Now let's talk about how the pieces make you look and feel. The necklace that I'm wearing, just look at how it catches the light and it feels so lightweight on my skin. But it makes a statement, right? I'm wearing the Pave initial pendant necklace in sterling silver. This is the tiny paw print bracelet, and it's perfect for dog lovers. I just love this little tiny paw print. It's delicate, feminine, and it's comfortable enough to wear all day without any snagging and no heavy, clumpy feeling. This is effortless style. These are my Huggy Hoop earrings, and they are absolutely beautiful. I can wear these with t-shirts and jeans or a dress for dinner, and they work beautifully in any setting. What I appreciate most is that everything feels timeless. I don't have to worry about these next season. They're chic, versatile, and they go with everything in my closet. I love to wear my Mint and Lily jewelry on my casual days when I'm out running errands. I simply put on my necklace and my bracelet, and it takes my outfit from basic to pull together in just seconds. Now, you know that I love to travel, especially cruises and all inclusive resorts. And these pieces make it so easy because I don't have to pack a lot of jewelry. These are my beautiful pieces that I take with me, and they go from sightseeing to dinner. And for special events, whether it's church, brunch with my girlfriends, milestone birthdays, or date night, I know that these pieces are always going to feel appropriate, chic, and classy. I've been rocking my Mint and Lily at work and on date nights, on the weekends, going shopping, and I'm so impressed with how pretty it is and how affordable it is. So, Divas, if you're looking for jewelry that's fashionable, affordable, and timeless, Mint and Lily is it. Their pieces make you feel polished and beautiful without breaking the bank. I'm going to link some of my favorite pieces below so you can grab yours. The holiday season is coming up, so don't wait to treat yourself or to treat someone that you love. Mint and Lily will have you smiling and shining in no time. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and thank you, Mint and Lily, for allowing me to review your beautiful jewelry collection. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, and until next time, keep glowing and keep sparkling.